Hey there, this is my 1991 Acura Integra. Just installed the glowing gauges. Well, the car doesn't want to start like always, but there's some cool colors that I want you guys to see. Let me see. Okay, you really don't see the difference, but okay, there. It's like a green, bright green, blue. You can turn it down. There. And just press this switch right here. I like that one, the blue one. Well, let me give it a try. Probably it will start. Nope, not starting. Well, not today. I don't know what's going on with the radiator. There's water, bubbling water in there. I just got this car. I really don't know how to fix it. Well, bye guys.